I'm about to start working on a big project that requires the use of stencils, and truthfully, I don't have a ton of experience, so I wanted to test out the brushes against the sponges method. I bought these stencil brushes off Amazon and was just testing it on a spare piece of wood with some spare paint that I had. Maybe there's a better method to this, but I was just sort of dabbing it onto the stencil. Then I tested out these foam wedges that are probably used for makeup, but I wanted to use them for paint. I did the same method and just dabbed it on. I did notice that it kind of picks up the stencil as you dab it, so I was just holding it down. I probably could have taped it better. I could tell pretty much immediately that this was going to be better because it went on really clean and smooth. And the result is the foam did a lot better. You can barely even tell what that little blob is supposed to be with the stencil brush, but the foam pad just made it look so much better.